home to that corner over there, and then it should do some sine wave trajectory.
Into our society that makes you better at it. Yeah. What am I doing here? I'm supposed to go do?
There should be a.
So homing takes a long time.
From Japan. I don't know why they don't have that.
You guys should like load up both your programs at the same time so to see which one.
And it fights like in the movie Hackers from the '90s.
Yeah.
Good movie.
Oh, and like you can have two people typing on the same keyboard to speed up your response time.
Well, yeah, that's just common sense. What are you guys trying to run right now?
It's just like our controller, and it does some sine wave trajectory. Whenever Marcus told to do it last, because he's been using my laptop for a bit.
Is it supposed to move in X and Y at the same time?
Yep.
Y, X, and Y are the same thing.
Test both axes, cross channel effects, stuff like that.
So you commanded it to move in Y?
Yep. Or Marcus did. I'm just running whatever trajectory he gave it last. There we go.